there's the chats, but like people actually.
All right, is everybody ready? Charlie! Bernie!
And the way for the platform
Tom Kaminski! Uptown! And it's 100 degrees in the subway car. That's transit and weather together.
I like it.
CBS 880.
I like it to be hot.
All right, Paul, headlines.
Trains running on time for once. Headlines in a moment.
Charlie, stay clear for closing doors, please. Bernie,
Please stand away from the platform edge.
Tommy,
Uptown F train, no delays, up to 96th Street.
and it's 110 degrees in here. Meteorologist Todd Glickman in the WCBS Weather Center.
On time and comfortable, and there's more room to actually breathe.
Charlie, stay clear for closing doors, please. Bernie,
Please stand away from the platform edge.
Tommy,
Uptown F train, holiday train, on or close to schedule.
it's now 120 degrees in here, and I'm meteorologist Todd Glickman in the WCBS Weather Center. A 60 Thursday will be next.
Mayor Wagner denies charges. He's been ogling the subway.
Stay clear for closing doors, please. Bernie,
Please stand away from the platform edge.
Tommy,
No delays on the Uptown F holiday train.
and it's about to snow in the subway car. I'm meteorologist Todd Glickman, not in the WCBS Weather Center.
Bravo!
72nd Street will be next.
I dug into my personal archive. I put a couple of them on the train, but I haven't.
Wow!
Go over there real quick. And what? What I would love, and hope that you guys could sign. Everybody that had anything to do with radio could sign. Even if it was that other station. Oh, my association.
Every time I go to
Your head is big like mine. You know what? This is a great picture. He was.
Absolutely.